we'd be a drop, filtered down some mountains, evaporated into air, rebirthed in ocean, decided to travel to hard, dry places that needed water. We carriers. Many chose this profession inside. We are the sea, neutral, all things add up to zero. God's peace we return. No words are never the thing, cannot describe this upon us all to go inside, test and question. We alter nothing in time, but we can save time for the willing as all returns to as God's spark which we extend. Some said beauty is a picture, maybe someplace on a lake. We make this where we are, blessed we be a drop.
We'll return to the sea of God. We never forgot this place.
Yet we return to dry lands, one hand up Christ sends. We go no questions, we do it our way from inside, to find as we got found. Story never changes, we gonna shake you like we got shook. Not even trying, you invited us not even knowing, so we become the host. Maybe paper plates, no fancy. Our space is guarded, accepted, directed by who we hear. Sometimes many, got many selves inside many memories. Break them all, we shatter. Got one name, got one point of awareness never destroyed. Only loved as we do the same. Best we can even when we wrong. Stored in memory we forgive.